In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all messages on Messenger. So open up a Messenger and open whatever chat. So let's say this one. I can just long hold, click on more, and then I can unsend, or I can click on their message, click on more, and then I can click on remove. A few more things you can do is just bump it or copy it, or if you want the entire chat to be deleted, long hold, click on delete, and that's it. You have deleted the entire chat. And that's basically it. Super simple. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.